Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the left ribbon, main and charging port flex cables on the Oneplus 7 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side. Next, take out the battery by loosening the adhesive and pulling it by the red tab. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the PCB protective cover. Next, undo 2 screws on the charging port. Next, disconnect the top end on the charging port flex cable and then disconnect both ends on the main and left ribbon flex cables. Next, move the bottom edge adhesive strip and the battery protective tape to the right hand side. Next, take out the broken charging port, main or left ribbon flex cables from the body. Next, replace the required flex cables and secure them on the board, and move the adhesive strip and cover to the left hand side. Next, place the battery and secure the tapes. Next, place the secondary PCB cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery plug and place the board frame by securing 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.